Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we need to open up our settings application. From here, select storage, and you will see your SD card. So we're just going to tap on it. You can open it up with whichever application you want, either files or files by Google. I'm going to just select the first one. From here, we're going to tap on the three dots and then navigate to storage settings, which will give us the option to format it. When you press on it, it gives you a pop-up letting you know that formatting will erase everything from the card. If you keep anything on that card that you don't want to get rid of, make a copy of it to some other device like your computer or maybe some other external storage. Now, assuming you have already made a backup of your card, the data that is on it that you want to preserve, or maybe you just simply don't want to back it up, you can then select Format SD card. This will automatically begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple of seconds. Should be right about done. So there we go. Let's click on done. And once it's finished, the card is right away ready to be used once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.